Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into some crazy facts that sound made up but are 100% true. I spent days digging these up and even I couldn't believe some of them. We're going to challenge everything you thought you knew, so buckle up. We've got facts about history, animals, space, even your own body that will make you question reality. I've got 10 of the most insane, unbelievable yet completely factual tidbits lined up for you. So grab your snacks, get comfortable, and let's get ready to have our minds blown. Let's do this. All right, kicking things off with one that messes with your whole fruit reality. Bananas are botanically classified as berries. Sounds insane, right? A berry is a fleshy fruit produced from a single ovary of a single flower. Bananas tick all those boxes. But strawberries, despite their name, they're not true berries. They're classified as aggregate accessory fruits. Watermelons, pumpkins, avocados, and even cucumbers are also technically berries. But strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, not berries at all. The world is a strange place, and we're just getting started with these mind-bending facts. Let's jump into a history fact. Cleopatra lived closer to the iPhone than the Great Pyramid. The Great Pyramid was completed around 2560 BC. Cleopatra lived from 69 BC to 30 BC. That's a gap of roughly 2,500 years. She was closer to the moon landing than the pyramids. Imagine Cleopatra looking at the pyramids. To her, they were already ancient. This fact reframes historical timelines. Let's lighten things up with an animal fact that's just plain fun. A group of flamingos is officially called a flamboyance. It fits them perfectly, doesn't it? Picture a bunch of bright pink birds strutting around. Like, did you know a group of owls is called a parliament? Or a group of crows is a murder? It's not just about scientific classification. Sometimes it's about capturing the spirit of the animal. Next time you see flamingos, you can confidently say, "Look at that magnificent flamboyance." Prepare to feel incredibly small. Scientists estimate there are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches. Our Milky Way alone has 100 to 400 billion stars, and there are billions of galaxies. It makes you realize how tiny our planet is, but it's also incredibly exciting, isn't it? To think of all those stars potentially with their own planet. The possibilities are endless. It's a reminder of the incredible mystery and majesty that surrounds us. Humans share approximately 50% of their DNA with bananas. Yes, you heard me right. This doesn't mean we're half banana in the way you might think. It means that many of the fundamental genes that control basic cellular functions are very similar across a vast range of living organisms, including plants like bananas. These are ancient genes that have been conserved through millions of years of evolution. It's a humbling thought, realizing that the building blocks of life are so universal. So next time you eat a banana, give it a little nod of respect. You're looking at a distant cousin. The first widely recognized personal computer virus, Elk Cloner, was created in 1983. It targeted Apple II systems and was made by 15-year-old Rich Skrenta as a prank. The virus spread via floppy disks. It would display a poem on every 50th boot. Elk Cloner marked the start of the cybersecurity battle. Honey literally never spoils. Archaeologists found honey in ancient Egyptian tombs over 3,000 years old, still edible. Its low water content and high sugar concentration prevent bacterial growth. Honey's acidity also inhibits microbes. Bees add glucose oxidase, producing hydrogen peroxide, an antiseptic. 3,000-year-old honey shows nature's amazing processes. There is a real town in Norway called Hell. And the best part, this town, Hell, literally freezes over every single winter. The name Hell in this case actually comes from the Old Norse word Hellir, which means overhang or cliff cave. During the winter months, temperatures in Hell, Norway, can plummet well below freezing, leading to snow, ice, and, well, a frozen hell. So if you ever find yourself in central Norway, maybe pay a visit to Hell. Just make sure to pack a warm coat. After Einstein died in 1955, his brain was stolen. The pathologist, Thomas Harvey, removed Einstein's brain without permission for study. Harvey kept it in formaldehyde for decades, dissecting it into pieces. He carried parts of it around, making its whereabouts a mystery. Eventually, much of the brain was recovered and is now at Princeton. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 of the hearts work exclusively to pump blood through the octopus's gills. The 3rd, larger heart circulates the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. This main heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims. Octopus blood uses a copper-based protein called hemocyanin to transport oxygen. When hemocyanin binds with oxygen, it turns blue. This system is more efficient in low-oxygen, cold-water environments where many octopuses live. Octopuses are basically real-life sci-fi creatures, and that is just unbelievably cool. And there you have it. 10 mind-blowing facts that sound fake, but are 100% true. From bananas being berries to octopuses with 3 hearts and blue blood. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these facts, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. Your support means the world to me. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.